Hello, welcome to Little Smiles International School Basic 2 online tutorial. Our subject for today is Science, taken from Strand 5, Humans and the Environment. Substrand 3, Science and Technology. Indicator 1, Technologies used in the community. Technologies used in the community. Our keyword here is technology. When we say technology, what is technology? Technology is the application of science used to solve problems. Technology is the application of science used to solve problems. The moment you try to use the knowledge you have from science to solve problems, you are practicing technology. The use of science, the knowledge you have in science to solve problems. Create things that will solve problems in your immediate environment. To create useful tools that will help you do things easier and faster. That is technology. Technology has helped a lot in our community in various sectors. Let's look at some of the sectors and how technology has helped at that sector. The use of technology today. Use of technology in communication. So at the communication sector, technology has helped a lot. Some examples of communication technology are mobile phones. The use of mobile phones help us to communicate with other people at different places easier and faster. 2, we have the laptop. Laptops, when connected to the internet, help us to communicate with other people at different places easier and faster. When the laptop is being connected to the internet, it helps us to send data, that is information, to different places and also receive information. We have the telephone. The telephone helps us to communicate with other people at different places. The next sector to look at is the education. Use of technology in education. Technology has helped a lot in our education sector. Let's look at some of the examples of classroom technologies that can make learning easier. Some examples of classroom technologies that make learning easier. 1, we have computer networking. When our computers at the classroom are being networked, that is connected to the internet, it helps us to learn, get access to information easier. 2, we have desktops and laptops. Desktops are being used in schools to learn how to operate computers, how to work with a computer. We also use laptops in schools to learn how to work with a computer. Nowadays, most of our works are being done on the computer, and that is being done or practiced from school using the desktop and the laptop. 3, we have electronic whiteboard. Teaching are made easier nowadays with the use of electronic whiteboard. These types of boards help us to access the internet easily, to get first-hand information to teach. Robbing is very easy. So when it comes to learning, the whiteboard, the electronic whiteboard, help us to learn and teach easily. The next sector is the agriculture sector. The use of technology in agriculture. Technology has helped farmers replace the old ways of farming. What are the old ways of farming? The use of cutlasses, the use of hoe, mattock, rake, and other things. There are machines to replace that. Ways of farming with machines. Technology has helped farmers replace the old ways of farming with machines that can do the work in less time. There are machines that will do works that human beings will use a full day to do within an hour. Let's look at some of these machines. We have the tractor. The tractor can make mows, can weed a large scale of farm within some few hours. that human beings cannot even use their energy to read. Two, we have the combine harvester. The combine harvester also harvests cereals, throw away the chaffs, and bag the food. That is very important for us. The third one is the drone or drones. Drones are also current technologies that we use to spray pesticides, insecticides, and weedicides on large scales of farms that humans' effort cannot do. Drones help a lot. Let's look at the final sector that technology helps a lot in our community. That is the transport sector, the use of technology in transport. Technology has made it easier for people and goods to travel from one place to another. Examples of technology in transport are bicycle. For short distance, we use bicycles to move from one place to the other. Cars. If you want to travel from where you are to a different place, using a car will make it easier and you use less time to get to your destination. Trains. We use trains to carry heavy goods from one place to the other. We use trains to carry people from one place to the other. We have aeroplanes. Aeroplanes also help a lot. Aeroplanes help convey people, parcels, and goods from one part of the world to the other. Example, from Ghana to the United States of America. Children, below this tutorial, there are works there. Download them and solve them and present them at the school premises for marking. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will meet in our next tutorial. Until then, bye-bye.